So this is just a quick little video on these Volvo 740 fender weights. Drifts and Lifts did a video on this, I think, and I'm going to do a little bit more in depth about how you actually can remove it. I have skinny arms, so I can reach in there roughly enough to get them out, but I'm going to show you guys, or what I found to be the easiest way to get these out. So you remove these four 10mm bolts that hold these threads in. So if you look down in there, you should be able to stick a crowbar or something in here and should come up. Alright, so now I got those two threads pulled out from the front side. Otter golf or whatever, where you hit the little otters and they pop up out of another hole. So you use the crowbar to keep these threads from popping back into these holes, and then you just see it from the top here in that hole. There we go. Got it. Alright. And I'm not sure exactly how much these two weights are, but they put these two weights over here and over here in the fronts of these old 740 cars. So this is a good weight reduction mod. And also, if you're trying to get swole, these are good weights to use to throw in your backpack or anything while you're hiking. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use them for anyway. Repurpose things and keep things moving forward. So that is how you save some weight, by removing the fender weights on a Volvo 740. 10mm nuts. Use a long crowbar to get this first one popped back, and then use a hammer to pop those ones back out, and then reach your arm in there or use a string with a loop and put it around one of these threads and just wiggle it and tug it until you can pull it out of the front of the fender. And to install the bumper here, there's a strut that goes in here, and there's a 10mm nut that comes up to the top back here, and you bolt these two 14mm bolts back up through the mounting for the front bumper, and then over here in the corners you got some more 10mm nuts that screw into the fender here and tie it all together. So yeah, hopefully that video was helpful.